Hello trader, how are you? I hope you will fine. Welcome back to the Sushilji Trade channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful bearish reversal candlestick patterns. So as you can see guys, I will fully explain this chart pattern in easy way. Let's start with the first section of the image called zoom position. Here you can see the market moving upward with multiple green candles. As you can see, this is 5 green candles. This means buyers are in control and the market is in an uptrend. Then suddenly, two important candles appear inside the blue dotted box. The first candle is a small green bullish candle. After that, a large red bearish candle appears and completely covers or engulfs the body of the first candle. This formation is called the bearish engulfing pattern. Second candle. The second candle is red and bearish. Now notice something very important. The body of the second red candle completely engulfs the body of the first green candle. This is the key rule of the bearish engulfing pattern. The bigger the second bearish candle, the stronger the signal becomes. Section 2. The pattern. Now let's move to the center part of the image where the actual structure of the pattern is explained. Here you can clearly see two candles. First candle. The first candle is green and bullish. This candle shows that buyers were still confident and pushing the market upward. Second candle. The second candle is red and bearish. This candle shows that buyers were still confident and pushing the market upward. Guys, if you want my whole strategy, then go to my Telegram channel. I already explained my whole strategy in my PDF file. So join our Telegram channel and get our PDF and become a professional traders. So this is our PDF and this is our Telegram channel. Get our PDF, and if you have any doubt, then go to my Telegram channel and ask me any questions about trading. Section 3. Rules to remember. Now let's go through all the important rules mentioned in the image. Rule 1. Signal type. This is a bearish reversal pattern. It signals that the market may reverse downward. Rule 2. Trend. It usually occurs at the end of an uptrend. If it appears in sideways market conditions, the signal becomes weaker. Rule 3. Formation. This pattern always consists of two candles. Section 5. Key points. Now let's look at the key points mentioned in the image. Point 1. The pattern should appear after a clear uptrend. Point 2. The second candle must fully engulf the first candle's body. Point 3. The larger the second bearish candle, the stronger the reversal signal. Always wait for confirmation using 1. Next bearish candle. 2. Support and resistance. 3. Volume. 4. RSI divergence. 5. Other technical tools. Section 6. Example on chart. Now let's move to the example chart on the right side of the image. This section explains how traders actually trade this pattern. Entry. You can see the red dotted line labeled entry here. Traders usually enter after confirmation when the next candle moves lower. Important note. Now read the note at the bottom of the image carefully. It says, bearish engulfing is a strong reversal pattern but should always be used with confirmation for better accuracy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite candlestick pattern, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more trading content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So guys, if you want my all strategy and PDF file, then go to my Telegram channel. And if you have any doubt about this video, then go to my Telegram channel, ask me any questions. Telegram channel link in description box. Thanks for watching.